right, small jammers, you're just in time for girl talk. All right, so Hume, until you're married, you're single. So like a pep question on steroids. Let's discuss this morning. This is coming out of a post that was taken from social media. It says, until you're married, you are. Do we have it, Unique, to share it? You are in bold, S-I-N-G-L-E.
Still a single lady.
All right. The post said, yes, you're legally single. You don't have a piece of paper binding it to another person, but if you're in a relationship, you are not single. Okay, this is a different point. Yes, it's true that a boyfriend is not a husband. Some folks and people in general believe that while you may have a boyfriend, he's still fair game because there's no marriage license. I used to flaunt the fact, says this person, that I had a boyfriend like a trophy in a major competition, but not anymore. These days, I tell people that I'm single and accept date offers, even when I have someone who might be considered a boyfriend in the eyes of the world, because I consider myself single until married.
Put it up
back, Unique.
Until you're married, you are a single lady. We just got engaged.
Single.
Lady. Live with my boyfriend and we have kids. Single lady. Been together for 15 years. Super single lady. Call his mother mom.
Oh,
Single lady. Kids call him dad. Ding, ding. Single lady. We have joint bank accounts. Idiot single lady. Yes, credit in my name.
That is a diagnosis.
Going to prison, single lady.
You need therapy for that. Okay, we're laughing it out, but let's take a look at it for truly.
So first of all, legally, let's start there. With the rational thing. Legally.
Common law. After 5 years.
Common law.
Benji.
Okay, Benji. You go, Benji. After 5 years, Benji says you are common law.
Which means that if you're living together, what's his is yours and what's yours is his.
Continuously for 5 years.
Yes.
So now like me and you.
On and off.
So ladies, be careful now. Any man where you live with for 3 years, then him tell you say it not work. And him leave you for a year. Then him call you and tell you say.
Service.
Call you and tell you say, you know me miss you. And then him come back.
It doesn't come.
You have to go do back the 5 year all over again.
Broken service. That's what they call it in companies.
So let me just explain that to you. Say a broken service.
It doesn't work.
And it not gonna work.
Nice try though, guys.
So I'm just saying, because y'all know that nobody, you see, y'all underestimate men, you know. They have this crazy thing when they say, women are smarter than men. When they're ready to use their head, they use their head. So
but women are generally smarter than men.
Well, watch the 4 year breakup. Watch the 4 year breakup.
Right on the cusp.
Common law.
Yes.
Yes. All me tell you, after 4 years, you see my edge for your breakup, take a vacation. If you see my edge to the breakup, say, honey, you know, just ignore him. Run round him for a year. And when the 5 year done, you can say, all right, you want to leave now? Trust me upon it.
Yeah, share some things before you go.
Yes.
All right. So legally, obviously, if you've signed a, what you call it, marriage certificate.
Yes.
And you've done the vows and you have on the ring, ta-da, you are married. Outside of the common law situation, what this person is saying, that having been burned so many times and thought she was in a relationship and obviously being taken for granted or it don't work out, she realized that until you do that signing of the marriage certificate or have on the ring or guess to the common law thing, you are on your own. Do you agree, Harris?
Of course. What do you mean? What's the one that's asking
I mean, if you agree.
Very much so.
If you're with your boyfriend for...
How long?
I'm going there. For 3.5 years, right? You always say to me that the important thing for a relationship is that people understand each other.
Absolutely.
And you establish your framework.
Absolutely.
So if he has a discussion with you and says to you, Delia, I want to be in a relationship with you. You are my
And I
one
want
and
to be
only, my
perennially
my
single.
over, my sour salt, my love you till.
And him same want to be perennially single?
No. He's saying to you, I'm with you now and I'm committed to you and you alone, with a view to
what?
making you unsingle
When?
within a matter of a year and a half, which takes you to common law. So, if he give you that talk now, right? And you say, well, there's a future here.
Yes.
Are you still single?
I'm single for the year and a half.
But you're together.
Yeah.
He's going to ask you to marry him in
a year and a half.
So you're single. So
Until
you're
a
single,
year
and
and
if
a
he
half.
asks, so do you date other people during that time?
That depends.
And is he allowed to date other people?
That depends.
On what?
On the conversation that we have. Listen, a man can tell you, say, I'm going to engage to you in a year and a half. In a year mine, you know it, whether it coming or it not coming. Let's be honest, ladies.
Some people are sidelined, but generally, yes, you got.
You know when at the rope tie you out. You see the big pasture and the man tie you out to eat
like
the grass.
A cows.
And you go up there and you there, yeah, eat the grass. And then after a year and a half, you say, and him wicked because he did promise me. Hello.
Yeah.
A man who has decided in his mind that he's going to settle down behaves in a particular way.
But
he behaves in a particular way.
That's true.
When you sit down and say, man, I behave like them single, and you say, well, him say in a year and a half, he might go settle down. He might not, look here.
That's different from the man who, that's different from the smart man. Because remember, you talk about the smart man.
Yes.
The man who pretends.
Yes.
And takes on all the characteristics of a settled man. When he's a devious,
he can take
wicked,
on the characteristics, but woman in their mind know. They know. And they still say, he might go change.
They don't always know, you know, some men are that good. Some men are that good.
Well,
I think generally
sometimes we see what we want to see.
That's true too.
We see what we want to see. And we believe that.
But Harris, you're single if you just got engaged?
Yes.
So if he's put the ring on.
You know what I mean? Some people have to engage for 14 years.
Yes.
First of all, I don't know how people engage and them not work out when them got married. Like, me see people with ring on them finger.
10 years.
And them forever engaged.
How was it?
No,
was not.
I would have just like, if you would have nobody waste the money on the engagement ring. Just say, hey, girl, we're going to get married. And buy me a nice wedding band. And we're married with the wedding band. But you see the engagement ring, or if you give you the engagement ring, but it could work out when the marriage will happen. Come in and walk up and people say, you're engaged? When you guys getting married?
I cannot.
We're working on it.
Agree with you.
For like 5 years, like a build, we are building the 3-story building about some at the hospital.
So then, Harris, there is no trust in any relationship then until the actual day you stand
Of
up in
course
front of
there's
the pastor.
trust, Simone.
But what you're saying is, until the event actually happens,
yes,
you are not spoken for.
Do you trust yourself as a driver?
Yeah, sir.
Do you wear a seatbelt?
All the time.
Okay.
But I'm a driver.
But do you wear a seatbelt?
Yes.
Good. So me not have to say nothing more.
No, but that don't mean that...
You can trust the relationship and trust the man. Wear your seatbelt.
I'm not saying don't wear your seatbelt.
You can't insure?
Yeah, of
Amen.
course.
Hallelujah.
But you're going to wear your seatbelt and then pull for the seatbelt side of you and the two around the back to strap yourself into the car, into the one car?
Insure the car. Put on your seatbelt. It doesn't stop you from enjoying the ride. When you're going in your car, look how many places you've driven to, and you're in the comfort of your vehicle. You get to where you want to go. You say, I love my car. You put in your music. Hey, you enjoy the trip. But you have on your seatbelt. And you renew your insurance.
Well, I guess the point you're making is that if you're on an island road, as Neverbell calls it, smooth road, you never know when you go back up on a pothole, is what you're saying. Okay, I get you.
I'm just saying.
I don't know if I necessarily agree. I mean, I feel like if you're engaged to somebody, you're supposed to understand and know them well enough to have an understanding that the two of you are off limits to other people. That's how it should be. How it should be and how it is, I guess, are two different things.
That's why you wear the seatbelt.
Yeah.
Next point. There was a next point?
No more point in there. Point more.
Commenting gonna miss. Okay, so guys, anyway, it's up to you guys. Really, at the end of the day, whatever makes you happy, but choose happiness. That's all I'm saying. Long suffering went out with the Old Testament. Jesus died so that we could be free. So we nobody no need to go up on the cross or crucify themselves.
And sometimes the best happiness when you choose it is singledom. Trust. All right. Yes, it's true. It's being by yourself. Peace of mind. Take a break. That's it for Girl Talk.
Invite me to know.